Hello everyone! Interesado ka bang malaman kung ano po yung online negosyo na pwede mong simulan kahit po tayo ay nasa gitna ng pandemic? Pwede kang kumita kahit nasa loob ka lang ng bahay. Ito po yung napakaganda at sobrang trending na business. Walang iba kundi ang Talk Talk Delivery Service. Pero before ka mag-skip ng aking video, huwag ka po mag-alala, hindi po tatagal ito ng 1 oras. Bibilisan ko po at ibibigay ko po sa inyo ang bawat detalye ng ating pong business. But before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mary Jesedy, Coach MJ, isa po kong OFW na naka-base dito po sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Senior HR by profession, meron po akong food cart franchise, isa rin po akong tok-tok operator.
Filled out. So if I put in a task name and let's just put in something like site design, and then we assign a project, and then we can put in details. And then also we can put it, so that's it. So that's all we need to do. And then saving the task is going to do just that. It's going to save that task. And then that new task is going to appear all the way down here, just like that. Great. So how do we do that? Okay. And then saving the task, task save, and then we go down here in the task and we see that that task has now been added right here. Okay. So inside we've got task ID and everything. So let's go briefly over those macros, just the task, because they're already here, and that's in the task macros. So with the new task, these are the macros here. Back into VBA we go. Alt F11 will get you there. Or of course you can also click on the developers tab if you have that, and go into the visual basic here. That will get you there. Inside there, the task new, that is the macro that we have assigned to this button here inside the task. We've assigned it to this. And if we right click assign macro, we see the macro called task new has been assigned. This one right down here. All we're going to be doing is clearing out a certain amount of fields here. All these fields need to be cleared out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set the initial. We're going to load everything up there using data mapping. Now this particular training is not, this is the data mapping. Now there are specific trainings that I have that go over data mapping in detail. We're not going to go over in this because I've got so much to cover. So basically we're going to use data mapping, and then that's going to bring all that information from the table inside this. So basically these 8 fields are going to bring it directly in. So once we have that, we're going to save and update. Basically it's the reverse. We're going to make sure that all fields are required. Here's what I was talking about. If B9 doesn't equal 6, we've got 6 required fields. If B9 doesn't equal that, then we know that the fields are not required. Remember, this is B9. We're making sure that this contains 6. If it doesn't, then we know that all required fields have not been filled in. Assuming that they have been filled in, then we can continue on. We want to differentiate. Is it a new task or is it an existing task? B7 is going to tell us. Remember, if B7 is blank, there's no row that's been associated with this. How would we know? As soon as we delete that task ID, B7 is going to go to blank. That's going to tell VBA that this is a new task and we need to assign a brand new row and a brand new
Program complete.
task ID. So we